Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing a meals of the week, so we've got 7 family meals for the week. I really hope that you enjoy these videos. Film Ryan assembling this, but this is a Gatsby again. I do have I should have another video up where he's showing you how he made this, but this is the week after. But he's just chopping up a piece for himself now, but he put cling film around it this time to keep the food in, Ryan. The difference all this time is you've got tomatoes, cheese and some other things, some other vegetables, haven't you? Yeah, so yeah, it's looking a bit messy. Okay, so for tonight is a roast dinner. So I slow cooked this beef with celery, onions and carrots, and then we've got green beans, broccoli, sweet potatoes that I've roasted because I only had a couple of white potatoes left, so there's like 1 or 2 white potatoes each, and then we've got some Yorkshire pudding. So this is what is dinner for today. Are you excited? You love Yorkshire puddings, don't you? Today we're going to be making chili cheese fries. Caleb's just helping out. Put the peppers in, the onions, the garlic, everything. Just mixing it up. I'm going to put the tin of tomatoes in and the tomato paste soon. Down and let that simmer for a little bit while the fries are in. So here are the chili cheese fries. We've got the fries and the chilli, and then there's just some cucumber and avocado on the side. So this is what is for dinner today. So tonight is the breaded haddock with, I made some chips, just parboiled them, put them in the oven with a bit of olive oil. We've got cavallo nero, carrots, red cabbage and some mushy peas there, and then Ryan's just warming up some curry sauce as well. So this is what's for dinner for tonight. So tonight the kids are having homemade pizza, and then I'm just making some naan breads because I've decided to have lentils again. So I'm making some naan breads. So tonight is lentils, spinach and lentil curry with basmati rice. There's some cucumber, beetroot and lettuce there. Neighbour and Caleb don't want any mango chutney, so me, Ryan and Micah have got some mango chutney. Micah really loves it.